Hello, this is Mike Celestino of Laughing Place with some surprise Disney news. In a shock announcement this afternoon, the Walt Disney Company revealed that its longtime CEO, Bob Iger, will be stepping down effective immediately, with his replacement being Bob Chapek, former chairman of Disney Parks, Experiences, and Products. Iger will now assume the role of Disney's executive chairman, overseeing the creative side of the entertainment company founded by animator and entrepreneur Walt Disney nearly a century ago. He will continue at Disney in this new capacity through the end of 2021, as per his pre-existing contract with the company. During his tenure as CEO since 2005, Bob Iger, full name Robert Allen Iger, raised Disney's market cap from $49 billion to $231 billion in just 15 years. He oversaw the company's acquisitions of Pixar Animation Studios, Marvel Entertainment, Lucasfilm, and the holdings of 21st Century Fox, and launched the streaming service Disney Plus, which has accrued nearly 30 million subscribers since going live last fall. He also supported the founding of D23, the official Disney fan club, and its biennial fan event, the D23 Expo. Plus opened the celebrated Shanghai Disney Resort, the first Disney resort in mainland China, in 2016. His reign saw a newly reinvigorated period of box office domination for the Walt Disney Studios, with Disney being responsible for 8 of the top 10 grossing films of 2019 alone. As for Bob Chapek, he has now assumed the title of Disney's only 7th CEO in the company's storied history. Serving as the head of Disney Parks and Resorts since 2015, Chapek opened Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland Resort and Walt Disney World. Prior to that, he was president of distribution for Walt Disney Studios, and a fun fact is that he holds a degree in microbiology and earned an MBA from Michigan State University. As CEO, he will report directly to Executive Chairman Bob Iger while they serve together for the next 2 years. While Mr. Chapek certainly has big shoes to fill, we will continue to watch his career with great interest as the Walt Disney Company transitions into this next era. For more Disney news and opinions, be sure to visit laughingplace.com.